Today, I really don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to be walking around. And a few months ago, a few days ago, I was out here at the sewer. And, my soccer ball went down there.
Yeah, I'm going to drop your phone.
No! Alright, go over there.
Okay. Why would you need me to go over here? What the crap? What are you doing? By the way, sorry for the sun, guys. We can't really help it. It's almost spring, so.
It's a bird.
Really?
There's a bird that
I know, I saw it.
It's in there. It's stuck. Be careful, it might pop out.
Okay.
Step back. Step back. It might come back up.
They won't be able to see it. Yeah, they can't see it.
Light on my brightness.
Huh?
My brightness.
Your brightness? I need to lower your brightness.
No.
It's bright out here.
Come on, buddy.
Probably already have it on like 0 brightness. Let me see this thing. You ready for this? Kabooyah! MOG, that's what it was.
Go, go, go.
Kabooyah! Kabooyah!
No.
Did you think that was gonna go in the sewers? Okay.
You suck. Get back.
I have the phone on, so. Kabooyah! Oh! Did you see that screwball right there? Slider. Crap. See his curveball? Dang. That was sinker, that's what it was. That was just like a lob. Yeah. Sinker. Oh, the bird. Look, it just came up. Look, the bird.
We need some food. We should go upstairs and go. We should go back up and get some bread.
You should tell your mom that a bird's stuck down here.
I can see it. Come on, let me see. It's right there, guys.
Oh, yeah. Probably can see it. Hopefully it'll come up. Yeah, you should go tell your mom that it's down there. It needs help. It's gonna die.
What happened to my screen?
So where?
Oh.
Oh, you were. That was your finger. You're an idiot.
Stay right there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna film.
Take a look on it.
You suck. I'm gonna stay right here, see if it pops back up. Come on, birdie. It's okay. Birdie? Oh, birdie. There's a bird stuck in there. I need a way to get it out. Can you guys see that right there? Pops up every once in a while. It's yeah. Yeah. I caught it on video, I think. I think I caught it on video. Yeah. It popped its head up.
Yeah, animal control.
Yeah, animal patrol. Okay.
You sure it's a bird and not a bat?
Yes,
It's definitely a bird. It had a beak. And it's like tweeting. Tweeting. It's tweeting people.
There is no bird.
Yeah, it is.
There-
Just wait for it.
Hello?
If you want to see it, and then I caught it right here.
Yeah. Aw. Well, the only way to get them out is to take this off, and they can't take that off.
And plus, there's also screws.
I'm sorry, Mr. Birdie.
This is not animal cruelty. It's not our
I
fault.
like came down through the pipe.
Yeah, it jumps up from time to time.
Aw.
To get this bird free, comment below #bird help. #free the
Let me
bird.
finish the cake, and then I'll bring a screwdriver out, and I'll see if I can pull it away enough for it to get out.
Okay. You can't fly down there because it's too like
That
compact.
goes under the thing. Hold on, I'm gonna come back, buddy. Hold on. Okay, hold on.
We're just trying to help a nice little bird. He can go back and try and find his family. Okay.
Okay.
Poor bird. Look, that's nice footage. Yeah, it can fly. Holy crap. It's definitely a bird.
Yeah, it just came down through this. Through this
Maybe.
gutter pipe.
Oh, look.
What?
Look, it's a nest.
Where do you see a nest?
It's right there.
Oh, Jesus. I can't see it.
Here, I'll take the thing. Okay. It's up there. Look straight up. Come over here.
I can't see it.
Look right here. And look, it's up there.
Oh, that's where it is. I was looking at the sun the whole time.
Here. You suck.
I got it.
Birdie.
Birdie wants the ball. Go get it. Oh, wait. I'm a better cameraman. Haha.
It's okay, Bird. We're gonna get you out. Maybe. It might have
Okay.
came out of that bird nest and went around to the gutter thing.
Yeah, I must have seen that hole. How did you even see that?
I don't know. I was over here. I saw wings and everything just popping up. I was like, oh, it's a bird.
Did you get my face on camera?
What do you mean?
Did you get my face on camera?
I don't know.
Hopefully not. People don't want to see that.
Yeah, I do love
It's not like they don't want to see you either. Yeah, you look like a half-baked avocado. So. Birdie,
Go slow, go slow, go slow.
hang on, Birdie. We're coming to get you. Okay, let's just not film the bird. Let's film something. No, you can't see my shadow right there. They can't see my shadow. So, you ain't gonna see crap. You probably already know who it is, though. Look at that right there. Yep. You see the back of his head. Birdie. Birdie, it's okay.
When I go outside, you stop moving. Get down. Go over there. Go over there. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, Bobby. I named it Bobby. Bobby, stop freaking down.
You're gonna be okay. Hopefully. Because we want to free you. Have you realized that we had just been sitting here filming a bird?
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
We're gonna get him out someday.
Yeah. Bye bye, Birdie.
We'll see you later, Bobby.
Yeah, bye, Bobby. We named him Bobby.
Let's go. Oh, and there's Nedna.
Nedna. Who's Nedna? Hey, old Miss Edna. Oh, Jesus, that's a bunch of bird dookie right there. If that is even bird dookie, I don't think it is. Hey, Miss Edna.
Sorry, Miss Edna just really got on my nerves. She did something bad for us. Now we're gonna do something bad to her. Hey.
Okay. Let's not mess with the old Miss Edna.
Oh, come over here. Oh, remember we get the big rocks when we slam on the water?
No, I don't really want to do that right now.
The only clean Miss Edna.
Yeah, I'm just gonna walk around.
Oh, over here. Look what someone did to this property. Let's show them what the water did.
Oh yeah,
Alright, sorry.
the water made a really big crack in the ground. The crap? How did they even get there?
Look for it.
Don't worry about it. Okay. We're gonna show you what the water did. We had like a huge storm
All of this.
one day. Yeah, it tore up all that. And then here comes the big part right here.
all
It was all gravel right here, like it covered up the whole thing. Look what it did. It's just like a giant sinkhole
See, look.
in the ground. Look, you can see pipes exposed right there. Yeah, look at that.
That's just
I'm gonna drop your phone down there.
no.
Yep. Ah! You realize you just put mud on your phone, right?